You are not tired of studying, you're tired of forgetting. What if I told you that notes could revise themselves and help you recall anything in seconds? According to cognitive science, spaced repetition and recall based revision boost memory retention by 300%. AI can automate both. In this video, you're going to learn what AI powered notes actually are, why they are 10x more effective than handwritten notes, and how we can use them even if you are not tech person. Okay. So hi, I'm Joshua Gonsalves, and I'm I have built AI-powered study system for class in Maharashtra board students that make revision faster and unforgettable. These aren't just notes; they are memory machines. Okay. Okay. So I have broken this video into four parts, which is called I have so in the mind map. So let's get to that. So first, I will be telling you what is the problem. Okay. Then I will be telling you what is the concept behind this. Then I will be giving you a solution for this. Okay, so let's get the problem first. Okay. There are seven problems in this. The first problem is too many textbooks, zero clarity. Zero clarity. Now, when you have many notes, you get overwhelmed. Okay, this is the first problem. You don't have any clarity not into every single day. Okay, revision feels like reading from the scratch. Like this will not happen when you're starting initially. Now, let's say you're starting this initially. Like, let's say you're in the month of June or July. Like initially starting a preparation, right? I'm talking about memorization, okay? This won't feel anything. Like you might feel what is all of this? It is of no use. Okay? You might feel what I am telling. You won't feel any different. But I have been in your shoes and I'm telling you this. When you start, let's say 2 to 3 months, you won't feel like this is important. But I was also in class 10th. I have felt this. Okay, so what happens is in the first initial 3 months, you feel this of what is all of this? You'll feel I don't need anything. But when the time passes, the time will pass, you'll feel a difference. You'll start forgetting answers. You will not be able to remember. You will get overwhelmed by the information. You'll lot of problems. After let's say 4 or 5 months, it will get started. Or 6 months, 4 to 5 months it will get started. And you won't have enough time till you end up realizing that you don't remember anything. So and when you start revising anything, it feels like you're just reading again and you're revising. You're not revising, you're studying again. You'll feel like in the revision time, you'll feel like you're studying again. So that you know how to do that. You feel confused, not to focus on that for the exam. It is the problem. Fourth problem is you don't have proof if you're actually studying. Now, if you don't have proof that you're actually studying, I'm sure that you won't be doing it. Meaning you don't even know that you're studying. You don't have the proof that you have studied. So how can you prove? How can you build confidence on your own self? And the fifth problem is you're wasting time rewriting and reading notes again and again. Now, same thing. If you are just reading your notes again and again, reading will not give you anything. I have been and I don't read notes anytime. I retrieve those notes. I don't read notes. Okay, you have to retrieve it. Like if you get up in the 4 a.m. in the morning, when I should study, what has happened when I should get up 4 a.m. when I should get up in the morning, first thing which used to come in my mind was the answers. Anytime anybody will ask me like tell this answer, they should just tell the question and my answer is to just roam in the mind while walking, while talking. Answer is to just roam in the mind. When you get up in the morning, answer should roam in your mind. You need to become that much focused. Okay, I will help you build that. When you have no system, you have just chaos. Okay, you are just confused on what you need to study, what you need to revise. The seventh problem is you give up by seeing the text pages portion. Yes, this is the I know that when you will see the text portion in the end, like you don't remember anything, you will give up. You will give up by seeing that you don't remember anything. You're seeing the text pages, portion size, you just give up, right? That I'm going to help you break that as well. Now, let me tell you what is the concept. The first concept is it helps you to compress 300 pages into one because that will be digital, right? It will be digital. So it is on a one screen. So everything 300 pages will become into a one page single. You can do smart tagging. You have faster recall in this. Okay. And the third concept is mind map the space repetition memory. Okay, your memory will be locked. Active recall is greater than passively reading. And if you are just reading, it won't happen. You need to actively retrieve this information. Now, the fifth concept is notes evolve as you study, not one-time effort. Now you might not understand this. Notes evolve meaning you have your notes, right? Your paper notes, notebook. When you study, you just tick. Let's say you tick answers like you studied, okay. But do you know exactly how much do you remember? Because what happens is when you use this, your notes will evolve, right? It will come to know how much you studied. So it will not show you a thing which you already know. It will show you things which you do not know. So you save time. Okay. So your notes will evolve because they come to know how much do you actually remember. If you don't know, they will also help you to remember those things which you don't know. Okay. So your notes will evolve as you study, not over. And the sixth concept is it helps you to revise on the time, because when you do this, you can revise things on time. You don't waste energy on thinking on what should I revise. You get up someday and you think like, what should I do today? You don't do that. You are clear on every single thing what you need to do. Okay. Now these were the problems and the concepts. Now let me tell you what is the solution for this. Okay. The solution. There are just three solutions. You can do just like one click revision, like 10x speed. This is right. You are just clicking your notes, like how you scroll, you're just clicking, and you are revising in that time. When you use offline notes, flipping the pages, it takes time. It is just like one click revision. Recall it, click it, revision done. One answer to this. It's very quick. No panic, no books. Just recall mode. It is the note taking from the notes are taken from the books, but it is digital, so you revise on time and you save time. And the third one is it auto schedules revision based on forgetting go. Okay, so it will auto schedule things. If you forget something, it will auto schedule those things. Okay, so these were the solution which you need to do. Now, for you to implement this, I have something called the Memory Mastery Launchpad. Okay, it is called Memory Mastery Launchpad. Let me tell you about this. So, if you want to access this study system, you need to join the Memory Mastery Launchpad. I'll give you the how AI can revise for you. Okay, AI can revise for you so that it can schedule things, can schedule how much do you remember, how much do you forget, so that if you are even stuck and you can't remember things in history, science to geography, so just be a part of this and you will see your study game transform. Okay, so all the best and see you in the next video.